In this video, we are going to show you how to set up toner alerts. So if you haven't checked the levels on the machine, you'll get an email reminder to order supplies once your toner is low. To start, we're going to enter the machine's IP address in the web browser. Log in. The username is admin, lowercase, no password. Device management, configuration, auto email notification, and select out of toner and toner almost empty under group 1. And up here under group 1, select edit, add the subject, going to add order toner from Office1 portal, and we'll do that as the message as well. The name of whoever is ordering supplies and their email address, and select OK. And now that person is set up to receive emails when the toner is low to go to the web portal and order new supplies.